Hi friends, whether we like it or not, or whether we admit it or not, other people's opinion of us really do matter. The opinions we have of ourselves matters even more. Think about this for a minute. What separates the haves from the have-nots? Nothing but our own fears and insecurities. It has been said many times that we all love a winner and that nobody remembers who came in second. The truth is, like the joke that goes, this guy was praying to God every day to win the lottery. After weeks and weeks of prayer, the guy asked God why his prayers were going unanswered. God replied, "You need to be at least meet me halfway and buy a ticket. Only wishing doesn't help. You need to take a gamble on yourself, a leap of faith, if you will, and you will learn that only difference between the haves and the have-nots is the overcoming and mastering of their own fears. Nothing comes your way without effort." I am from the old school of thought that also teaches that if you didn't earn it, it won't mean as much to you as if you did. Expect the same in business. It may take you several attempts before you find just the right combination of things that work for you. Just because the first couple of things didn't work, that doesn't mean you are a loser. It means you are a doer. Someone who is willing to go out on a limb. Someone who is confident in their ability to stand and deliver when things may rise up against you. These are the real winners, not because they necessarily succeed, because they tried. Sometimes when starting a new business or venture, everyone at one time or another will have their fair share of naysayers. Just don't you be one of them. It would be all too easy to say, "I can't do this, I can't do that." But why? Don't ever give up and cave into outside pressures. No one ever loses who honestly tries. If you have a dream or vision for yourself, you owe it to yourself to at least try. In my experience, most of the people I know who have been the naysayers are those who have settled for a second best or given up altogether. The only thing that can get in your way from realizing the dream is you, coupled with your uncanny ability to shoot yourself in the foot. We have no enemies in business but ourselves and those nasty little voices we carry around that tell us that we are failures. I love quotes and I stumbled across this one and I found it highly appropriate. The late great football coach Vince Lombardi was asked by a sport reporter about a loss his team had just suffered. You know what the coach replied? He said, "We didn't lose, we just ran out of time." So tell yourself something long enough and you begin to believe it. Have other people tell you something long enough, you will not only believe it, but you will magnify it as well. You do not have to know everything there is to know. So surround yourself with those who can bring to the table an asset that your business needs and one that you do not possess. This works for everybody and will work for you as well. Failure and defeat provides the fire we need to forge our will to achieve success. So rather than let defeat beat us down or call us a loser, embrace it, welcome it as a teacher, and then move on, never forgetting the lesson learned. You are only a loser if you believe you are a loser. So for me, you are a winner, you were always a winner, and you will always remain a winner. If you think this small little advice was valuable, I invite you all to join my Level Up Club. Specially, I have developed this for aspiring and existing entrepreneurs. Here, you get free VIP access to premium load content, ebooks, sales and marketing techniques, online and offline closing techniques, mind hacks, powerful visualization techniques to improve your self-image, business case studies, and access to digital marketing tools and funnels, templates, cheat sheets, worksheets, and whatnot. All this has been designed keeping the starters in mind and to make your life much easier. So if you are someone who believes in continuously upgrading yourself and someone who is hungry for success in his business, irrespective of whatever industry you are in, this club is for you. Because at the end, it's sales that matter and it's sales that generates revenue for any business. So just click on the link below and quickly register free and get access to Level Up Club. This community is going to be locked very soon and will be available only to paid users going forward. So hurry up, act now, register, and let's meet up inside Level Up Club.